This is part 2 of how to set up OfficeMate for valid reporting results. In each patient record, there are certain fields that should be filled in. In the demographics, if you want to track your sales by source, be sure the source field is filled in. iReport number 190 reports sales by the source. If you're going for meaningful use, you want to make sure these meaningful use fields are filled in. iReport number 360 verifies that all these fields are being filled in. Many reports use this last exam date. iReport number 30 will tell you that all these next recall fields are up to date. If you want to track patients, whether they're coming back to your practice, if you referred them to another doctor, you can use the new referral. Here you can say who's referring them, which provider you referred them to, why you referred them, and when you expect them to return. iReport number 35 will report these patients. A lot of offices are using this to track patients who need follow-up. So you can also use this patient exam tracking to put a patient name in and give a reason they need a follow-up in a couple weeks if they came in your office and you want to know how their frames are, how their exam went, etc. When you're tracking your frame and lab orders, in the eyewear order, you want to make sure staff is completing ordered, received, notified, or dispensed. iReport number 600 tracks these for your frame and lens orders. iReport number 610 tracks these for your soft contact lens orders. When a fee slip is being created, you want to make sure the staff name is entered. All the reports that track sales by staff or collections by staff use the staff member. All reports that track by providers use this provider. And if insurance is involved, all reports that track insurance collections or charges use the insurance field. Here's where the ICD-9 or 10 field will come from, or the CPT code and the product name. Here's the date of service that's getting recorded and the recorded by, which is who logged in. All the other fields are captured normally when you record the fee slip. Also note, when the fee slip is recorded, the cost of the products as of that moment are recorded for gross profit reports. After the fee slip's recorded, if you go to a patient ledger and make an adjustment, you want to make sure that staff, when they make the adjustment, fills in a reason. iReports 490, 440, when they show the reasons why adjustments are being made, gives you the reason. If you go into receipts, and you click the history button, and staff makes a payment reversal or correction, you want to make sure reason is filled in here. iReport number 440, which reports payment corrections, payment deletions, or payment reversals, you'll know why these are being made. And that's it for setting up OfficeMate for valid reporting results, part 2.